Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pixel step by step clearly. To set up your Pixel device, begin by unboxing it carefully. Ensure you have your SIM card handy if you're using one. Press and hold the power button until the Google logo appears. Select your preferred language from the list on the initial setup screen. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect to proceed. If prompted, insert your SIM card and follow any on-screen instructions. Next, choose to copy apps and data from your old device or set it up as new. If copying data, follow the on-screen instructions to link both devices. Sign in with your Google account by entering your email and password. If you don't have a Google account, tap Create Account to set one up. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Set up security by choosing a method such as fingerprint or PIN. If desired, enable Google Assistant by following the on-screen prompts. Decide whether to enable backup to Google Drive for your data. Customize your preferences for location services and app permissions. Once setup is complete, your Pixel device will restart. Familiarize yourself with the home screen and app layout. Explore the settings to tailor the device to your liking. Your Pixel is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.